Hi, I'm Brett Crane, VP of Solutions at Vivun, and this is Sales Engineering 101, where we explore critical technical sales skills and how to master them. So what are sales engineers best known for? The demo. They're the team that runs the best product demonstrations. And there's a reason for that. SEs spend over 20% of their time every week preparing, delivering, and following up on demonstrations. While demos might feel like a straightforward showcase of how the product works, they're actually highly strategic opportunities to create memorable experiences for buyers, build trust, and take the lead in a deal. Good demos have two core principles. They don't overwhelm the buyer with features, and they take prospects on a personalized journey of value. Let me break this down. First, avoid the feature dump. It's tempting to show everything your product can do. Trust me, I get excited about new features too, so I know. But focus on use cases that matter the most and tie features directly to your customers' pain points and desired outcomes. Second, make it personal and dynamic to keep the buyer engaged and make them feel understood. I learned this firsthand at Zora, where we had to demonstrate complex API capabilities to non-technical finance teams. The SEs who took the time to create demos with the prospect's branding, their product names, their pricing models, their billing terms, etc., that matched their specific use cases, saw significantly better win rates than those who stuck to a standard overview demo. Don't forget to deliver a demonstration in your own words, instead of following a script or spouting off marketing fluff. Reference your discovery findings and incorporate specific points from earlier conversations, calling out the relevant names of your prospects during your demo to call their attention back to the pain points that they cited. Also, share your highest value product capabilities in the context of relevant customer success stories where possible. Ideally, mentioning the most recognizable customers that they would aspire to be like. With that said, let's talk about the structure and the flow of the demonstration. The best demos are organized thoughtfully. Start with a clear, structured agenda. This helps to avoid confusion and anxiety around what they'll be seeing in the demonstration. Tell them if or how you want them to interrupt and ask questions based on the time frame, the audience, and other dynamics of the meeting. Break up product demonstrations with supporting content. You can use different mediums like slides, stories, your product, etc., to maintain variation and engagement from the crowd. Plan smooth transitions between use cases or sections of the story to maintain continuity, and spend a little time to ensure that you minimize drawing navigation jumps between screens and other systems. Make sure you have some kind of demo outline or script. I like to build a very detailed script, practice on the detailed version, and then reduce it down to a simple outline so I don't get lost during my demonstration. Then when it comes to timing and engagement, keep your segments focused and concise. Make them short if possible. Ask engaging questions every few minutes. Encourage audience to participate in the demonstration and plan specific spots for engagement within your outline in advance. Include pre-planned customer success stories at those strategic moments. Tell them if you're tight on time and need them to do anything special, like hold questions or put questions into the parking lot. Remember, the goal of the demonstration is to create a personalized experience that helps the buyer see the value of your product in the context of their own needs. Your goal as the sales engineer is to guide them on a journey and avoid vendor confusion and also beat your competition. It's not easy, but you can accomplish all this with preparation and practice. If you want to learn more about foundational sales engineering skills and how to elevate your technical sales game from good to great, I invite you to visit our resource library at vivun.com and subscribe here, where we dive individually into the core aspects of the SE role. Thanks for watching.